Hello, good morning. The previous live stream I had just melted, so we're starting over again. We're going to go a little quick with it. Allegedly, the Middle East tensions are chilling for a minute. Everyone's wondering if the Trump is going to taco or if things are going to resolve in 3 days or not. Tech trade data out of Taiwan and China is blowing up, and global manufacturing demand looks to be good despite all the noise. So we went through some of the positions this morning. We have TNL traded yesterday, got up into the consolidation, pulled back down. We have our stem trade. It's going pretty good. We got in on the 15-minute wait yesterday. Price went up, then went back down, and then tried to break through and tried to test that support resistance. And then this morning it's up 2.3%, way above the high from yesterday. So we're assuming this is going to be a pullback with a target of, I would say, like 85. So I'm going to update that in the app. If I can, yeah, we got a target of 81. So I'm going to change that to 85. Let's see, we had NTB. NTB order filled. Same story as before. Price went up, out, went back down a touch, low volume. XLV. XLV seems to be lower volume pullback. Sellers are coming in right at our fill. Stop loss remains. AFB. AFB had the same volume, just a slightly less volume as the breakout bar. Not too good. And really should probably move the stop up to about 83.55. Change up. Let me update this. Okay. And then FISI, we move the stop on that. Got some sellers coming in at this high. I'm going to lock it in a little bit to this low down here in the 35.26 zone. And then Caterpillar, June 8th. Okay, so this is where we left off before the live stream melted. So we got lower volume. I'm going to say this is a lower volume pullback. Stop loss remains. Still within our consolidation range, which is not that great. Okay. TRV. This was an uptrend bottom attempt. And I said in the other live stream, we're still in the previous release for charts. So there's still some bugs that I'm catching this morning. And we have a huge release coming out with more logic to the charts, fixing some more bugs on the charts, and then a revamped dashboard, which is going to be huge. So it redoes the entire dashboard, gives you a better view, and it gives you a better analytics view. So this is got a huge release coming out that touches the new chart logic that just released, as well as the a better UI for the user on dashboard. So we're going through that this morning. Should have that out. Wasn't able to get it out before this live stream, but we'll get there. Got a high volume seller induced volume right underneath our fill. So I'm going to watch this. I'm going to watch that stop loss for tomorrow and see what happens. CVI rather. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, this is definitely, hopefully a pullback, real close to our stop. It remains. If this pullback does not materialize, we'll get stopped. Okay. CVX. This was our uptrend pullback. I should probably move the stops at this point. So I'm going to move it. I mean, my whole theory is it's going to be pushing up. So I really need to move this to at least 182.9. Okay, update it here, and then I'll go through in the broker and update that. That's tied to the oil game, so it's understandable. CSX, our train position. Still trying to get out of that consolidation range. UNP looks like I went back down. It's just chilling in the middle. I think if this thing breaks out, it's going to be massive. We'll just see if it's going to find our stop before then or not. Okay, monster. Definitely sellers coming in. I'm going to consider a stop loss on that being moved up a little bit tomorrow, depending on how that goes today. Nucor had some pullback. It's got higher volume pullback, which is not the greatest. Stop loss remains. Sign of weakness. Cisco. Okay, looking like a pullback on that. We're looking like at break even. All right, LITE, this thing. Stocks don't really keep me up at night, but this is a wild one. Looks like the floor is being set at this guy, 83.5 region. But it has a lower high. Potential floor at, but it has lower high in this range. Stop loss remains. This was a leadership, and then we got STEM. Our STM position is up 117. It's absolutely nuts. So that's what we're looking at this morning. In terms of signals, really haven't looked at anything. So let's see what's on our watch list. We got stopped out on AEHR, which looks like it's just forming a pullback. Unfortunate. SBUX is hovering around the 200-day. So that could be a potential pullback play. Coin going low. That's out of the consolidation range on coin. Not looking too good on that. Corning had that big announcement yesterday with Amazon, but not a lot happening on the price on that. And then Walmart's trying to recover. The buy order on Walmart still exists. Same with Costco trying to recover. NVIDIA right at our stop. We got stopped out on that a few days ago. Google still floating around that support resistance area. That's really fascinating. Shout out to the dividend holders today. Yeah, FISI. That's looking not great. Okay. Let's see if there's any runs on this morning on SignalDeck. Novo Nordisk, right? NOV. Interesting. Okay. CVS, we already looked at that. Microsoft is coming in as a signal. Low volume pullback potentially, but we're still in that range. Okay, not much. Okay, that's what's going on in the markets this morning. If you look at tech, it's testing yesterday's high. SPY, same thing. So everyone's just kind of seeing what's going on in the market. So looking forward to seeing where we go from here.